Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud Libraries for reuse assets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Log into your Adobe account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Creative Cloud tab on the top menu. Click on the Creative Cloud tab to access the main dashboard. In the dashboard, find and select the Libraries option. This will redirect you to the Libraries interface. To start using libraries, click on the button that says Create New Library. Choose a descriptive name for your library and hit Create. Once your library is created, you can start adding assets. To add an asset, open any Adobe application like Photoshop or Illustrator. Select the asset you want to add to your library. Right-click on the asset and choose Save to Library. Ensure you select the library you just created for proper organization. You can also drag and drop assets directly into your library from the application interface. To reuse assets, return to the Libraries section in the Creative Cloud dashboard. Select the library where your assets are stored. Click on the asset you wish to reuse to open it. You can then drag the asset into your current project. To ensure your assets are always accessible, enable syncing in your Creative Cloud settings. This will allow your libraries to sync across all Adobe applications you use. Now you can easily access and reuse assets across multiple projects. Regularly update your libraries as needed to keep your assets organized. Explore options to share your libraries with team members for collaborative projects. Your organized library will enhance your workflow and speed up your creative process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.